touring the city of Istanbul 2 days ago now is when we did that. I was just blown away by the beautiful mosques, and I've never been in such a culturally rich city before. I didn't realize that Istanbul was the original capital of the Roman Empire until, or was the capital of the Roman Empire until I was like literally on the flight over researching it. So many beautiful mosques, so many nice people. It's funny, Senna was talking to me about like some people have these stereotypes of people in Turkey are riding on camels or like whatever.
Camels everywhere.
I didn't really like know what to think, but the hotel staff was so nice. They brought us all complimentary glasses of champagne, but I'm not supposed to drink the day before the surgery. So then they brought me my own mocktail. This is a blood orange mocktail and it's actually really good. I wish I knew how they made this. It kind of feels like embarrassing to admit like, oh, I'm getting a hair transplant or oh, I'm doing this, but it's really like other people don't care. It's more of just like a me issue. And I've been super open with my friends and family about getting the hair transplant, so they all know. But you know, if you are someone who's like worried about that, you can always just get it, and you don't have to announce to the world like I am that you're getting a hair transplant. You can just do it and not be so vocal. I think it's cooler if you can be honest about whatever cosmetic surgery you get done, whether it's your teeth or your hair, your nose or whatever. Like if someone decides to get something done, like myself, I'm getting a hair transplant, I don't think it should be shameful. Like I'm gonna tell people that I got it, and then maybe somebody else who's going through hair loss like me knows that they can have the courage to do it too.